guys, let me show you how to make bitter gourd. In Punjabi we call KARALE. I'm damn sure you guys never made like this. I made it. Very tasty, very delicious. Come on and follow my recipe. We need obviously bitter gourd, KARALE, garlic, ginger, green chili, peeled onions. So I'm not gonna use all of them in this. I'm making two curries in this. And we need tomatoes. So let's start it. I peeled some of them. I will show you how to peel it. Just peel like this. Do one cut in the middle like this, and we're gonna take the seeds out. And we need to save seeds like that. I'm saving here. So we need to take out all the seeds. So we're gonna do one by one all bitters like that, bitter gourd. So I'm using mustard oil for frying. You guys can use any oil, which one you like. How we find out our oil is ready to frying? I put one piece of onion in there, and that one is proper dark, so we know our oil is proper ready for cooking. So we're gonna add all the things in there. If you guys have big pan, you guys can add all of them in there, but I have small, so I'm gonna add some now. So we need to wait for them proper brown. So meantime, bitter gourd is getting ready. I'm gonna get ready my tadka. We call in Punjabi tadka. We're getting ready our stuffing to fill in the bitter gourds, okay? So this batch is ready. I'm gonna take out now. You guys don't touch like I'm touching, because I'm every day. Yeah, I do every day.
But yeah, don't. Somebody like me, you guys are gonna burn your hands.
So I'm gonna add now more.
Some people don't deep fry them. They just make the tadka first, then they put them in the raw KARALE. They put them in the raw bitter gourd. They don't deep fry their KARALE. Does it make a taste difference?
It's make taste different, and it's very bitter.
Oh.
You can't eat.
Okay.
Normal, I can't eat. Even my family can't eat.
Yeah.
If you guys can eat, you guys can use that way as well.
Yeah.
But mine is different way. It's very tasty.
So basically, guys, deep frying is gonna make it less bitter, which is good because these are very bitter.
I crush everything. Garlic and ginger paste. I crush onions. And here is, all seeds. So all crushed now, you guys can see. And chili. And then I'm gonna add tomato in there. So first I'm gonna add garlic and ginger paste. We need to wait until it's little brown, not that much. You guys see the difference? It's little brown now. So I'm gonna add all onions in there. So we need to wait for 2 whistles now. If you guys don't have pressure cooker, you guys can use pan, which one you guys use mostly at home. So after 2 whistles, I'm gonna open now. The onion is ready, so we're gonna add now everything was left. Then green chili as well. I'm gonna add tomato as well. Now I'm gonna add salt. As usual, I'm used when I add tomatoes. Salt. There you go. So we need to wait for another 2 whistles. When one side cooks, we need to flip the other side like this. This side is on. So we open after 2 whistles. So we're gonna add now all the spices. Degi mirch, is the red chili, turmeric, garam masala, and dry coriander. And we need to wait for another 3 whistles. So another batch is ready. We're gonna take out. We're gonna use these peels. Mostly people throw out these, but we're gonna use them. It's very good for your health as well. So we're gonna fry all of them.
We're gonna also fry these till golden brown.
Yeah. So after 3 whistles, guys, we're gonna open now pressure. Let's see how it is. So we can see it's nicely cooked. Color change. So we need to wait. We need little bit dry consistency. So we need to wait a little more. We're gonna open it and cook for another 5 minutes. We don't need to cover it now. Just open. We're gonna wait for another 5 minutes. I know, guys, you're gonna be lazy because it takes time to make this type of curries, because this curries is really delicious. If we want to eat delicious food, we need to make, and it takes time. Okay, give time to your family and for yourself. Make healthy foods. Okay, it doesn't matter we stay long here. Even my legs hurting now, but still making, because Timmy like it, like it, everyone likes it. So guys, I told you earlier, we're gonna make 2 curries from 1 bitter gourd. So I'm gonna make another one now. So as you see, peels are very good fry. This give you very good flavor in another curry, which one I'm making right now. I'm making now onion, potatoes and bitter gourd curry. It's all mixed and it's very good. I've tried so many times. It's very good, very tasty. Promise you guys must try once. Okay, so we're gonna add some onion there. You guys can chop on chopping board, but I love to do like that. I'm going to add now potatoes. We're gonna add this as well.
This is the bitter gourd you fried?
Yeah.
The peel, right?
Peels, yeah. All spices going in this now. Salt. According to your taste always. Now all spices. Red chili powder, degi mirch, turmeric powder and garam masala. Mix properly and cover it. So you're gonna try first time this one, isn't it?
With aloo, yeah.
Yeah.
I think you made it with onion before. Yeah.
So we're gonna cover this one for 5-10 minutes. So you guys can see our stuffing is ready. We're gonna fill now with stuff. I take out all the stuffing in there, but it's very tasty. I'm loving it. You want to try?
Yes. That's so good.
So we need to fill like this. See, it's very good, looking very good, and taste is very good. Already me and Simi tasted very good. Make sure you guys try one, so you're gonna try again and again then. If you guys have some stuffing left over like this, you can use in chapatis, and if you guys making any toast, just use this as a sauce. You guys see the difference, believe me.
And this is the other recipe, guys, for the bitter gourd peels.
Yeah. So we're gonna add now a little bit tomatoes in there. So veg is half cooked, so I'm gonna add tomato now. We're gonna mix and cover it for 5 minutes. There you go. Cover again for 5 minutes. And you can see the tomatoes is properly cooked and its curry is ready to eat. Potatoes is very soft. Onions is very nice. So I'm gonna give this taste test to Simi. So our both curries is ready. Make sure you guys try both recipes. I'm damn sure you guys gonna like it.